Is it a crime to blindly crave your love? Unreachable, cold. Where should I step when there's only ice around me? How do I free myself from thoughts of you? Day after day, I wade through sorrow. The air still trembles with my prayers, asking for one last drop of hope. Sometimes even shamelessly demanding it. A rain of broken hearts, of those who try to love another more than themselves, of those who try to love another more than themselves, What once felt sweet turned into the deepest sting, straight into the heart's center. It aches, aches, aches. Every time I remember, we lost ourselves in each other's illusion. Only labyrinths around us, new labyrinths within the labyrinth, creating more labyrinths.